Welcome back. In today's video, we will introduce to you Large Language Model, or LLM in short. But before we start, let's recap on some concepts we learned in our previous videos. Artificial Intelligence, or AI in short. AI is a broad field of computer science focused on creating machines or software that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. This includes understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. For example, think of virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. They understand your voice commands and respond intelligently, like setting reminders or playing your favorite tunes. Next up, machine learning. Remember, AI is a broader field, and machine learning is a subset of AI. It focuses on the idea that systems can learn from data, improve their performance over time, and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform those tasks. Deep learning is a specialized area within machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to analyze various forms of data. These neural networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain and are particularly good at recognizing patterns in large datasets. An example of deep learning is facial recognition technology. When you upload a photo to social media, deep learning algorithms analyze the image and can identify faces by comparing the features with a database of known faces. Now let's talk about LLM. Large language model, or LLMs, are a type of deep learning model that are designed to understand, generate, and manipulate human language. They are trained on huge amounts of text data and can perform various language tasks such as answering questions, writing essays, and even engaging in conversation. Think of it like a student studying books. When you ask them something, they use what they've learned to come up with a response. Some examples of LLMs are GPT-3, developed by OpenAI. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT-3 can generate text that feels natural and human-like based on your prompts. For instance, if you ask it to create a short story about a dragon and a young adventurer, GPT-3 can craft an engaging tale, filled with imaginative details and dialogue, bringing the characters to life. BERT, developed by Google. BERT stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. BERT helps understand the meaning of words in search queries. This helps Google Search give more relevant results based on what users are looking for. Let's dive into how large language models, or LLMs, work. First, we have the training process. Imagine teaching a child to predict what comes next in a story. You read them many different books, and after a while, they start to guess the next word based on what they've heard before. For example, if they hear "the cat sat on the," they might guess "mat" because that's a common phrase. Similarly, LLMs learn by reading a huge amount of text from books, articles, and websites. They look for patterns and learn which words often come together. So when you ask them something, they can give you a good response based on what they've learned. Next, we come to transformers. Think of a transformer like a group of friends discussing a topic together. Instead of each friend only focusing on what they're saying, they can listen to everyone else at the same time. This way, they understand the conversation better. In the case of LLMs, transformers allow the model to look at all the words in a sentence together instead of one by one. This helps the model understand the context better, so it knows what you really mean. Let's say you have a general knowledge of cooking, but you want to become a master at baking cakes. You would take a baking class to learn specific techniques. LLMs go through a similar process called fine-tuning. After they learn from a broad range of texts, they can be trained specifically for tasks like translating languages or summarizing long articles. This makes them much better at those specific jobs. LLMs have a wide range of applications. Let's have a quick look at some of them. Customer support. Chatbots powered by LLMs can handle inquiries and provide assistance 24/7. Content creation. They can help writers generate ideas, draft articles, or even create marketing content. Language translation. LLMs can translate text between different languages with increasing accuracy. Education. They can assist students by providing explanations, answering questions, or even tutoring in specific subjects. In conclusion, let's summarize what we had covered today. AI is the overarching field focused on intelligent machines. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on learning from data. Deep learning is a specialized area of machine learning that uses neural networks. Large language models are advanced deep learning models that can understand and generate human language. By understanding these concepts, you can appreciate the power and potential of AI technologies, especially in how they shape communication and information processing today. Thank you for watching. If you like video, please like and subscribe to the channel.